Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag's Laravel tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to install the Laravel and configure through the composer in Windows. We need some software for that. So there is a composer we can download from the given link. And second is there is a I'm using Apache gem. So here why I'm using gem, I need the php directly. You can download the php and you can use that. And second option is you can use the gem and you can install gem and you can use it. Why I'm using gem? Because if I'm not going to use the gem, then I have to individually install MySQL. So with the gem, MySQL is coming, so I'm using the gem for that. So this is the easiest way. I'm just going through that. And node.js I'm using, but I'm not using node.js now, so we can just hide this one for few times. Okay, next there is an option for the create project. So let me download the composer, copy the link, you can download the composer from here. When you will download the composer, you will get the composer file like this. So composer setup.exe. So first installation we need to do the composer setup. So right click on the composer and go to run an administrator, click on OK. So I'm using for the all the users recommended is that, so I'm not using any developer edition. Click on next. I'm going to use my PHP, so I'm using the PHP 8.2.4. so just go to the browse, in C drive I have a 8.2.4. so here go inside there, there is a folder PHP. Inside the PHP there is a php.exe. so click on OK. So add this path to your PHP. So click on add and replace the existing entry. Whatever the existing entry will be there with the composer, I'm going to remove that. So click on next. So I don't have any proxy server for connect to the internet. Already I'm just connected to the internet. So click on next. So this is ready to install, and there is a settings, so you can review that. So PHP version I'm using 8.2.4, and this is the path. And proxy I'm not using. Add to the system path I'm using this. Remove the system path, previous path was this, I'm removing that. So automatically I'm removing, because previously I was installed, when I was installed the Composer, that time it was located with the 8.2.0. now I'm using 8.2.4, so that's not an issue. Click on install. So XAMPP is already installed with that path 8.2.4. and for the coding purpose we need the visual VS Code. So you can download the VS Code from given link. Meanwhile we can check. Okay, download VS Code. So then this is the path. So here for the Windows we can download the VS Code. So composer is still installing. So installation completed. I don't want to view the online documentation, so don't check this one. Go to finish. So how will check the composer is installed or not? Go to your control command line size. Okay, so go to your console and write the composer. So go to the above, you can see there is a composer is there, and composer version 2.5.5, and this is the latest version 21.3 2023. Okay, so composer was installed. Next, I need to configure somewhat in php.ini. So before that, let me check my Laravel installation is working or not. So there is a command composer create project prefer-dist laravel/laravel and your project name. So just let me create one directory, empty mac directory. Yeah, we don't have any document there. So now let me run the command composer create project dist, then laravel slash laravel, then my project name. Just assume that project name is lara 10. Okay, for example. So click on enter. Okay, Laravel installing. If in case your Laravel is not going to install, or you are getting some error, then just check with the php and ini file. Search intl, remove the uncheck this one, and add one more extension. Last, I'm going to add one extension, php underscore zip.dll. So this two you have to do it. I'm just writing the code. Here I'm writing configure php.ini file, add okay. So I'm adding this one, and second remove comma from intl. Line will be should be like that. like this too. So these two things we have to do. Laravel, if we are getting error with the initialization, and unzip the Laravel. So wait for a few seconds. This is creating the optimize autoload files, and where we started we come from that. So downloading Laravel. Completed. So what are the things happened here? First thing, creating Laravel project in example. So this is my path. So this is the path where I created the example file. So going to that path, there is a example file folder. So example folder is created. Inside the folder, see, all the files are downloaded from the web. So all the configuration files and data application files, there is a, all the application file models, everything is downloaded from directly from the net. So in this way we can download the Laravel. So in this video we have learned how to install the composer, configure the composer for Laravel, and how to install the Laravel. And there is a command line and two configuration we did for that. So already my Laravel is working. If not working, then you have to configure in php.ini. Just extension, add this one in the last in below last into the php and ini file. Second, remove comma from starting from the intl. So it really looks like this. And next command is how to create project. So composer, create project, and prefer-dist and Laravel, then your project name. So in this way we can configure the Laravel. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching. So our Laravel is already installed. After installation we can check into the folder, that inside the folder we can check all the files and folders are downloaded. We didn't get any error while we were installing. Now next part is how to run the Laravel, how to we can open the Laravel. So go to the your Laravel folder. So inside the Laravel 10 I created folder example. So inside the example we can go and check the files are available or not. Yeah, all the files are available. Composer is there, and eme file, app, artisan, everything is there. So here how we will run. So here for the running this, there is a command is that php artisan serve. So whenever we click php artisan serve, it will open, server is running, and please Ctrl+C for the stop the server. You can access through this path. So let me open this path. So here is the Laravel. So this is the default page. First page is for the Laravel, and we are running with the Laravel version 10.8.0 and PHP version is 8.2.4. and next part is that we already installed the vscode, Visual Studio Code. So you want to open the this code into Visual Studio Code, then code command is code space dot, full stop or dot, you can say, click on enter. So you can able to see that Visual Studio Code is opening and all the codes are available here. So in this way we can use the Laravel. So in this video, this is the extension of in this video, and we created the project and we run the command, and here we can write for the opening VS Code, opening into vscode, there is a command code space dot. So hope this will help. Thank you for watching.